plan. Welcome back to my channel. I realize I'm like really crooked here. Here I am back with another plan with me in my Hemlock and Oak, and this week I'm going to be using a combination of Ali's painted pumpkins, some of her autumn rainbows. I'm going to try bringing in some of Ali's sage alcohol ink, and then if I'm feeling really wild, maybe use some of her sunflowers. It might be too much, I don't know, we'll see. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is actually put some of this grid washi down. I do like putting the washi up at the top of the spread here. Oops. I'm not going to be so exact with it either. Say that because I want to mix up the two. Or I say two, but add both of these to the spread. So I don't necessarily want it super perfect. And sometimes I feel like we can get caught up in making a spread look a certain way that it's not necessarily getting lost in the creative process, but almost overthinking the creative process and not just letting it, you know, do its thing. And I realize this is not dated, I should date it. Okay. You guys know I really try not to overthink the whole creative process, because I know that at the end of the day, if I like it, great. If not, then I can just turn the page on this and kind of look back at it as one of those, it happens, move on type of things. Okay. Actually, I really like the way, I like the combination of those two together. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, my process for planning out in my Hemlock and Oak is definitely different because I don't really want to put too much in the hourly or even down here. Most of the decoration is really going to stick to the corners, if that. So what I think I might do, and these are just so beautiful, I don't want to use them. Oh, this one got cut off. That's okay. So let's use this pumpkin up here. Maybe I will write the date. Hold on. What is the date? It'll be October 19th through to the 25th. No, 18th. Wow, I had last week's date wrong too. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to add this here. Oh, I've got ink on my hands. And add a little bit of this washi because I love this washi from Simply Gilded. Oops. Then I'm going to see where else I can add some of these, just to add like little accents. I really like the green. Maybe I'll put it where we're going to have a stylus date. Right there. Then I don't know what the plans are for the rest of the week, so I'm kind of just leaving it open. Maybe adding this to Friday, Saturday night. And adding just a bit of, I am now just randomly putting stuff down. I don't know if it'll work or if I'll have to eventually tear it up. But we'll see. This is all part of the process. And then I know I'm gonna maybe put one with these in the corner because I love these. And I think I will combine it with this washi and maybe a tiny pumpkin. I don't mind covering up where it says weekly planning. And this teeny tiny pumpkin. It's a cutie patootie. See, that's the thing though. Because this is transparent, it doesn't really work well with the transparent alcohol ink. So let's combine it with this. Okay. And I don't want to use up any more alcohol ink because I want to use it in my journal. But maybe he needs half. I don't know. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead then and start working on my sidebar, which is where my sleep tracker and my workout tracker are going to be. Now that the sidebar is done, I didn't write in my workouts for the week because I'm kind of just taking it day by day. I think I've needed a break from anything structured at the moment, so I will fill it out as I go. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in each day, and then we'll go from there. So I go in and take my work script stickers, and then I'm going to draw a line using my Pilot Kakuno pen filled currently with Noodler's Borealis Black. And then I thought that I was going to start work at 9 on the Tuesday and then forgot that it was the following week. So anyway, I was having a little bit of an issue with my pen, which I will explain towards the end of the video here. But I go ahead and keep going with adding in the work, and I like switching up the different text as well. I like switching between the script and the different fonts of the sticker. And then Friday I have a day off, and I take that sticker from Pretty Cute Planner. And then kids do not have school on Monday. Don't remember why exactly, but I'm trying to figure out if some of my autumn collection will actually go with the spread, and it does. So I use some of the dots from this spread to notate that I have to go pick up the kids and forgot that there was no school on Monday. So I am doing really well with this plan with me so far. And then put those dots into notate that I have to pick up the kids. I don't put in one for when I have to drop off the kids, but I like to put in one for when I pick them up. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's right in the middle of my work day. And then I take my to-do script and then start adding in that I have to meal plan and order groceries. This is where I was getting a little bit of scratchiness on my pen, and I think it's because some of the fibers from the paper of the hemlock and oak were getting stuck in between the tines of the nib. And then take this cute Coffee Monster sticker for the taking out the garbage. And then I use this grocery sticker, again from Coffee Monsters Co. for picking up groceries on Thursday night. I love using the emojis just to add a little bit of fun and character. And then I take this quarter box for Friday because my friends and I are going to the Stylist Fine Pen Shop again, introducing a friend of ours to fountain pens. And then I go ahead and write in that I have to pick up the kids. I decided to stick with just a black ink for this week, and then for the basic stuff, and then I'll go in with a different green ink for the rest of the week. And then I take this Cleaning Ninja sticker to say that my husband has to mop the floors on Thursday night. Then I do work on Saturday from 7 to 3, and my pen was I actually had to take a little bit of time off camera here to try and clean out the pen. There was something stuck in it, so I was able to clean it out, and then it was working fine after that. Henry has wall climbing, and then Robin has drop-in archery classes, so my husband will be the chauffeur on Saturday. And then moving on to my favorite activity on Saturday night is folding laundry, and this sticker is from Paper Bits Co. And then the fall errands emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. to write all of our Sunday cleaning chores. Sunday is our big cleaning day. And then here I go in and write down S&C and BLD, so it's for steps, calories, breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And then I forgot that I do have to film on Friday, so I take which sticker did I take? The filming sticker from Coffee Monsters Co., and I'm going to film 3 different videos, hopefully. All right, so that is it for me. I apologize if it was a little all over the place. I'm going to do a different video with all of my fountain pens. Once I get my order from Goulet Pens, I'm going to also do an unboxing of that. All right, but that is it for me. It's very simple. I did want to keep this very simple and with minimal decoration. So I'm using a bit from CreateWithMandy here, a little bit from AccordingToAli here, and I'm wondering if, I almost feel like I should kind of cut that, I don't know, put one in the corner maybe. Could I get away with one in the corner? Do you know what I mean? I'm sure I could. Yeah, if I get away with one in the corner, I'm going to actually cut this into quarters so that I'll be able to use this in my horizontal happy planner. Oh, I already like that. It's just a nice little addition. There we go, because I felt like it needed a little something in that corner. And then here we go, teeny tiny pumpkin. I said last time I didn't want to use the one on top of the other, but I think in this instance, it'll be okay. All right, oh, I love it. All right, again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.